Alright, so far our variables haven't changed throughout our previous programs. So we have a new program here. We declare x equals 1. Next we declare y is equal to x plus 2. So in this case it should be 3. Let's check. Oops, y equals 3. Let's print it from this program statement. So now we can say y is equal to 7. And let's see what happens when we print out the new value. Yes, y equals 7, because the variables can change throughout a program's lifespan. Alright, so now, what if we change... Actually, let's go up here. Let's say x equals 3. So what will the value of y be? Will the value of y be 5? Actually, the answer would be no. Y still equals 3. Now you might be thinking, like, now wait a minute, so x changed and y equals x plus 2. So why isn't the value of y 5? Because this is just at this instantaneous point, the value is 3, and it keeps that value until it's changed. So in this case, if x equals 3, we need to update y. Y is equal to x plus 2. Now it'll say, okay, the value of x is 3, y is 2. It reassigns it the new value of 5. So this is just a snapshot in time it takes when it assigns it that value, and it keeps it there until it's assigned a different value later on. It doesn't constantly update. And that is the end of this video.